still have to feather the gas just to get it right. Caravan, I think you're gonna. Oh no, you won't.
No, I cleared it.
I'll tell you when the cars is watching. Keep going, man. Keep going. What are you doing? What are you doing? 1 foot on the brake. Oh, you got it. You're moving. It's stuck in first gear, I think.
How do you shift it?
It's stuck. Okay, it's stuck. You're gonna have to just go with it. Just turn left here. Oh, not too bad.
No, I can reverse.
Don't let it down. There's a fucking car coming. Move it. Oh, your phone died.
That's per usual.
Mine's still going. Okay, just turn in there. Fuck!
Put it in neutral. Let me drive.
You hold the camera, I guess you.
Where's the phone?
It's right there on the seat. It's right there.
Oh, still recording.
Oh, fuck. Close the door, make sure it's closed properly or else.
Yeah, it's closed.
You have to pick the door up a bit.
Okay, stop, there's people coming. Stop.
I'm just gonna let it roll back a bit. Oh, they put in a new pump in there.
Sorry?
Put in a new pump in there. You got the video recorded?
Yeah.
At least you get to drive halfway, at least. Watch as it slows down. It actually slows down pretty fast.